Yes, Anthropic, just 5 years old. Valuation US dollar 380 billion. Now place that against the giants Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, HCL, Wipro, and Tech Mahindra. Decades of execution, global dominance, millions of careers built, and yet a 5-year-old company challenges their combined value. This is not a comparison. This is a warning signal. Companies like Anthropic are not playing the same game. They are not selling services. They are building intelligence infrastructure. IT companies deliver services. Anthropic is building intelligence that won't need those services. Note this. And when you build systems that think, learn, and evolve, you redefine it. So ask yourself, honestly, are you still optimizing for yesterday's model while the market has already moved to tomorrow's architecture? Because in this era, incremental improvement will not save you. Only staying ahead of change will keep you relevant. Now let me leave you with something far more personal. Working harder will not protect you anymore. The work you are proud of today may not exist tomorrow. Learn AI and new technologies urgently, because someone who does will replace you quietly without warning. Routine roles are already disappearing. Yours could be the next. Reinvent yourself continuously, ruthlessly, and don't wait for change. Move towards where the future is happening, or you will be left behind permanently.